What's good, boys? Today we're gonna go ahead and go look at a special 370Z that you guys are probably gonna love. But in general, boys, we're just gonna have a fun vlog. Just a fun vlog. I want you guys to let me know, bags or coils? I don't know. What's the next step for Brittany? Bags or coils? I don't know. One thing I love about this car, having this awesome button called the rev match. Literally, you downshift, rev matches for you. You put it in neutral and go like this. It does that cool two-step. It's amazing. And we're almost at Eddie's house. But seriously though, if you're gonna buy, oh god, if you're gonna buy a Z, just make sure it has that. Just trust me, it's just amazing. That moment you pass this house, so you gotta back up. Backing up, backing up, backing up.
Later.
All right, so I haven't vlogged in a bit. Oh, you guys just saw the car. I haven't vlogged in a bit, but we just finished off rinsing out the cars and washing them. But this is the 370Z I was talking to you guys about. It's bagged. It's awesome. If you're a true OG, you know about this car and about, yeah, look at this. Look at this. It's pretty sick, guys, I know. I thought Brittany was low, but then you look at this and it's like, it's so good. And the owner, my buddy Eddie over here. So,
up, guys?
We out here, Z fam. Dude, it's so good. Oh, the setup. All right.
My banana.
The bagged banana here, guys. What system do you have?
AccuAir.
AccuAir. This is the compressor, right?
Nah, these are my tanks.
Those are the tanks.
Compressors right there.
Compressor.
My unit.
The unit.
And my sub.
Dude, you make me want to go bagged.
Let's go back, bro.
I can't.
Go get some groceries.
Oh, it's so good, guys. Like your Z and my Z are like completely different. Like mine's like a dark, mean color. This is just like clean and
Light.
low and light. What do you guys prefer? Track or stance life? Let me know. Already jealous of your seats? I'm just gonna say that. And we're also running similar exhaust. He literally has test pipes from ISR. Are they resonated or non-resonated?
Resonated.
Oh yeah, they're resonated. I'm running non-resonated test pipes. He has non-resonated short tails basically, and I have non-resonated short tails. Which one is louder? Let me know. These aren't Gold Star, so let me know. Hear it up. Hey, yours pops, dude. Mine doesn't pop like that.
I know.
Yeah, that's sick. All right, now it's my turn. I don't know, they sound pretty similar. Nah, it doesn't pop, right? Nah, yours pops, mine doesn't. Ripping the shot. It's literally on the floor, dude. Oh my gosh. All right, so. That's the control you have?
Yeah, that's the control unit. It's a little dirty.
And you have it set like when you're gonna ride normally, you just put it on.
Yeah, you got your setting. Your first setting is pretty much like when you park, it's like all the way down. Your number 2 is like ride height for me, but I go a little bit lower than 2.
Yeah?
And then 3 is just like highway. And like you just air it up like this. Compressors are running.
Yeah, I heard those are loud.
Nah, I got. They're pretty quiet, but I just need to get like a little extra wood.
Oh, okay.
That spot right there I have.
Yeah.
That's where all the noise coming from.
Oh, I see.
But if I cover that, then it's pretty much.
They won't sound that loud.
Ride height?
Is that ride height?
Hell no.
That's like a monster truck. That's ride height?
That's probably ride height.
What? And the front? Like that? Yeah, dang. He also has a Nismo conversion, same as me. We both got Nismos. We're fake Nismos, but you know, we out here still. We out here.
Let's get an air down a moment.
Huh?
I'm gonna air all the way down.
Okay, all the way down? Alright. Hey, look at that. That's so sick. Bags or no bag life? Let me know guys. It's so sick. Dude, forget about bags or coils. Let's go with just hydraulics.
Okay, bro.
Bro, let's just do it, bro. So he has the carbon mirror caps, which I highly like. He wanted to get the door handles like mine, but the really cool thing, he has like a, this is like a duckbill, right?
Yeah, it's a duckbill.
It goes from like the yellow paint of the car and then into carbon. Let me see if you guys can see. Yeah, right there. That's super sick. What wheels are those?
Water cooling.
Water.
Water cooling. Something like that.
Water coolers?
It's like water cooled, and then it has an IND.
Oh, I see. They're cool though.
There's
Damn,
like
dude.
12s in the back, and then 10 and a halves in the front.
12, dang, that's
Yeah, those are real
big.
specs.
Yeah. Mine are 11s in the
That's
back.
pretty wide though.
Yeah, it is wide.
We got 7-inch lips in the back, and 6.5.
And I forgot, he has like this little splitter right here. It's like carbon fiber. Oh, you guys can't even see. Oh yeah, they're the smaller performance. Yeah. He has the Z1 intakes, and I have the still Gen 3s. So you don't have to cut right here, do you? Oh, you're so lucky. Oh, he's also part of What else have you done to it? Just the exhaust and then the intakes?
Yeah, from now.
For now?
Trying to get the Plenum.
Twin turbo? Twin turbo alert? Dude?
You guys want to sponsor us? 10K each?
Any sponsors out there that sell twin turbos, hit me up, hit me up. Email me. I mean, just email us. One downside to having bags is a lot of people say that it messes up or it just rides different, and especially for a sports car that they shouldn't be on bags because it just makes it ride different and bad. I'll be the judge of that today, bro. Sounds just like mine. That is way more than mine. What? That's not fair. Ooh, Eddie slamming gears. Yeah. His reaction. No, you back down.
Oh yeah.
That's it? Just a couple touches?
Yeah.
First impressions, honestly, I don't feel that big of a difference, or a difference at all, in bagged against not bagged.
How about fast?
Felt the same. Getting out of the car is way harder though. Oh yeah, you can see it. What lip is this?
There's one for the Mustang.
It was from a Mustang?
Yeah.
That fits on that?
I mean, I'm scared to try it just to make the holes, but I feel like it'll fit.
Hey man, I'm pretty sure Nosy out there has this, so just to be original, you should.
Hey, comment down below if y'all want me to do that.
Yeah.
I'm still like...
Let us know, boys. Should he put on the lip? I mean, I don't see why not. You can just drill the holes, and if they don't work, then just leave the holes there, I guess.
Yeah, good.
I don't know. It's gotta fit right though. See, I'm worried about the middle. The middle doesn't go all the way up.
No, that'll be straight. It'll probably be like right here.
That's with the stocks?
Yeah.
That looks pretty sick. Yeah, I even saw it in person.
That's
Oh, when you had the tire letters.
It says sorry about your neck.
Oh yeah. This is how cars on Spring Zero. We don't.
You heard that? Yeah.
Nah, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Alright. Peace out, bro. Super jealous of your bags, but yeah, peace out. Hope your lines are good. That Z is super sick. I really hope you guys enjoyed me having it in the vlog and showing you guys. And as I'm driving home, you guys can see right there. Check engine light came back on. Ripperino! Alright. My next suspension upgrade for the 370Z will be bags. I'm not saying I'm gonna get bags right now or next month or like a year from now or 5 years from now. I'm just kidding, that's way too far. But no, in all seriousness, I don't think I'm gonna go coils from springs. Right now I'm on springs. I think I'm just gonna go bags. Also completely switching topics. I think you guys might watch this a Friday. So tomorrow, Saturday, it's getting my birthday. 20 years old. Not really. Damn, I'm already 20 years old. That's crazy. But yeah, Saturday's my birthday, June 15th. 20 years old. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. So I was supposed to keep vlogging after I did all that, and it's already like 8:30, guys. I haven't vlogged for the past like 3 hours. I've just been in the computer. Not gonna lie, just been in the computer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure you leave it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. Like I already said 1,000 times. Bagged or not bagged? Or what should I do? Well, I already said what I was gonna do. 90% sure I'm gonna do that, so. Hope you guys are excited. Alright, enough talking. Love you guys. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Share with everybody. On this channel, we're building the 300Z that's over there and the 370Z. As always, we're the new old outro. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.